We study microbial ecosystems, and microbial ecosystems are everywhere, like in old books, human body, environment. You can find microbes everywhere. But how do we measure microbes? That's another question. The modern sequencing technologies that allow us to sequence large amounts of DNA from samples has allowed us to measure these systems in a completely new scale, in a cost-efficient manner. And this produces and generates lots of data, and we need data science ecosystems to deal with these masses of data. The DNA sequences come in stretches. We have to put these pieces together like a puzzle. And once we have collected the whole information of the ecosystem, we can start to analyze how this ecosystem is varying across different environments, like different human bodies or different countries, lakes, soil, and so forth. Microbes are an essential part of human physiology and health, and they contribute to many normal bodily functions like immunity, digestion of food, and regulation of health and disease. And by learning how to manipulate microbes, we could potentially learn how to develop new treatments for disease. They can also be very useful for diagnostic purposes to give hints on what diseases people might have. The benefits for doing this kind of research in Finland and in the Nordic countries is the ability to generate new data from these particular populations, for instance, because we know that there is population-specific variations in microbes. We always need to understand in the local context. We want to understand, for instance, the differences between modern lifestyle and more traditional lifestyles and how this contributes to microbial diversity in human body and what are the implications for health. We already know that in different parts of Finland or in Finland and neighboring countries there are differences in terms of health, and this has been associated with disbalances in microbes. Elixir is providing a lot of different publicly available data resources for life science research. There are a lot of different resources about genomic data, about the functional data, and we can couple this with the microbial measurements to understand better the living systems.